That one's bouncing.
Well, maybe not.
Is that tree too dead? So we got a call. Guy in an expedition out in Stansbury Mountains slid off the road. His driver 2 tires were hanging on the road, but the passenger 2 slid off. He said it's pretty steep. So we're headed out to Tooele to pick him up, then headed out to the Stansbury Mountains, and we brought 2 Land Cruisers because sometimes when these vehicles slide off the road, it's a lot easier to pull them back on and safer to have one front, one rear. Most of the time we only need 1 vehicle, but it doesn't hurt to bring 2, and we have the resources, so we might as well use them. Should be a long drive and a quick recovery, but should be pretty beautiful.
Yeah, as much as we can see at night anyway.
Beautiful in the headlights.
Yeah.
Okay. Film one. Can't see it.
Can't you?
No, not really.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll film it anyways. Why not? What's the worst that happens? We don't have footage?
Yeah, we don't use it. Hey, there's a license plate.
That's not me.
That's a sign.
That's the dead end. So that's the, that was it back there.
RTO.
Can you repeat that?
I said RTO. It means reverse tool order. Needs to turn around. Try to keep that camera from jarring.
Yeah, I'm doing my best. I think I'm probably the best stabilizer out there.
You need a stabilizer when you got you.
Right?
So the spot where I went off was on a hairpin turn and the shoulder was built up a little bit. So I thought maybe if I get a little bit wide so I can make this turn washed out from underneath me.
I hate it when that happens. I'll go up past it and turn around, and you can hook up on this side.
Roger that.
Can you make it past it?
We're about to find out.
It'll be a tight squeeze.
It looks too thin.
Yeah, let me get out.
Got a good
You need
6
a spotter?
inches, 2 inches, 1 inch. And almost got contact.
You're gonna touch it, Caleb.
No, I'm not. I can see it really good in the mirror.
It would have been really nice if you let me out so I could record that.
Why didn't you say that?
Nicely done.
I did say that.
You just said let me out. I thought you were just being a baby.
Oh yeah. Now let me out. Let me out.
He's like,
Gosh.
I want to get my rear end on the other side of that stump.
Hey Caleb. Oh, I made it. Now explain that exact thing that you did to him to the camera.
Okay. So the truck, you can see, is at a pretty steep angle. The back passenger tire is actually hanging over nothing. It's a kind of a hole right there. So it could go over really easy. We probably could still get it by hooking up to the front, pulling straight this way and driving it forward. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna snatch block to a big tree, tie it on the rear on the trailer hitch, tie to the frame hook on this side, and we'll pull them both up together so it'll be super stable, super easy and smooth. We'll just walk it back up. Might have to walk it forward and back to get it over the big hump, but yeah, it's gonna be a lot more safe and stable that way. Yeah, he's got a 2-inch hitch.
It's got a ball in it?
Nope. Do it this way?
Yeah.
The reason I did this one on this side is because the back corner isn't being supported by anything, and there's a chance it could slide down.
There, it could flip over.
So if I'm on this side, I can pull this side down, which pulls the back corner up and away from the village.
That one's bouncing.
Well, maybe not.
Is that tree too dead?
I think it's around some branches on the back side.
Hey Brock, I'm actually gonna have you hold the brakes on my Land Cruiser.
That sounds good to me. Not been fun.
No. I mean, if anything, those trees would have stopped you.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't have been too bad.
They just wrapped around him is all.
Yeah. And it, whoa.
I know, you're locked up. Just keep it like that. You're okay. Okay, hold up. I'm just sliding, so I'm gonna get in. We're on next to bird now, so I'm gonna turn the wheels to the passenger side and come up, and that way it'll pull up that bank. You have the keys? So once he's done spooling in his line, we'll have him come up and pull up right there like I did, and then I'll go down, and then he can use this to turn around and then straight shot right out.
Right out.
Pretty slick, huh?
Yeah, much easier than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, we've done this quite a few times. Fortunately, we've never lost one off the cliff yet.
I'm glad mine was.
Okay, sir passenger, keep coming. Hard passenger.
Stay to the right.
Keep going just like you are. Go a little bit driver. Driver. A little bit more right there. Go a little more driver. Okay. Just go up the road a little bit and park it.
We have him pulled down, I can come down behind.
Okay. Do you want me to drive you through, or do you feel comfortable? Okay. I'll walk next to you. He'd probably come this way a little bit, like 6 inches. Yeah, you're perfect right there. Good.
Don't leave us now.
Right. I'll just stay right here. It's a good vantage point. I'll move when we're leaving. Those rocks are slippery.
You're good.
Well, that was easy, right?
Yeah, not bad at all. It's a good thing that tree was right where it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, that helps.
That was quick and easy, wasn't it?
That was simple.
Caleb, just keep going. And that's the exit.
Went about how we expected. Took a long time to get there, and then not too long to get back up on the trail. Turned around and headed back out. Pretty straightforward. Luckily, when he slid off, he did it right next to a nice big thick tree on the other side that we could snatch block off of, so that was nice and handy. And then on the other side, Caleb was able to drive around him and get turned around. The road turned right in front of him, so he got a good angle to winch from up there. So, with between the two winches, drug it right back up on the trail and worked great.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
See you next time.